Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing a little bit of McGrath, and I'm going to be talking about a little bit the situation that is going on right now in my family and with me with this situation of the coronavirus. So let's start with the coronavirus first, which is the most important topic. I believe I'm just going to do the McGrath little unboxing here because I'm very excited about this product. But the situation is that I have a lot of anxiety, people. I am super anxious. I'm so anxious that the situation that is happening right now, it has me with a stomach ache, and I have a little diarrhea because my anxiety is killing me. I went last week to Costco twice, and I wait over an hour to get inside the store, and I bought everything that I thought I might need for an entire month for my family, because I am that kind of person. I don't want to send you that vibe or make you panic, but I want to be ready, and I don't want to go out because I really want to protect my husband, my child, and my mom. My mom is not right now here, but I want to protect my community. I live in a little old community. A lot of people around me are over 60, so I want to make sure that I don't bring anything to my community or I bring anything to my house. So I bought supply for a month because I want to make sure that I can stay home like almost 100% of the time. I only gonna go out for like extremely necessary things. The video that is coming after this one is about Sephora, my Sephora haul, and some of those products I bought in person and some of those products I bought online. Sephora said today that they're gonna close the stores, Morphe closed the stores, and many retails have been closing the doors. So I encourage you, if you need anything and it's possible to get it online, just get it online. Let's try to minimize the spread of this virus. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands 20 to 30 seconds with soap, and then rinse it. Make sure you don't touch your face. Try not to touch your face. It's super hard not to touch your nose and all of that. And every time that you need to open a door or something, try to do it with your elbow or with your hips. Just try to make sure to be safe. Stock up on everything that you need or you think you might need for the next 2 weeks, because everything is going to start closing now. So let's just be on the safe side and have everything that you might need. Tell me down below in the comments why people are going crazy with the toilet paper. I still don't understand. I have few toilet paper, but not like tons and tons of toilet paper. People are going crazy with toilet paper. I don't understand why. You let me know down below what do you think about that situation. Let me know down below what do you feel about this situation. Let me know down below what do you think about the situation, what is happening to you, what measurements have you take. Are you panicking? Are you okay? What is happening to you? Let me know down below if you want to share with everybody. In a more positive note, we have here McGrath. I think you probably know what is this. I wanted this thing for a little while and I wasn't able to get it because my beautiful McGrath is playing a game with us. I mean, like, I feel bad to say this, but it's a game. It is a little bit of game playing right now. Hopefully this thing is not broken. So this is the box McGrath. I know you're probably not gonna watch this video, but what is this old plastic thing? This is plastic. All of this thing is plastic. This is horrible. I cannot recycle that, and I don't understand why would you do this. It's a mess. And here we have it, $125 palette. I got it with 10% off, so I pay $112.50 if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, I wanted this palette since forever and it's always out of stock. It's just a game that I don't like. Just bring more of them. I don't know what is happening. This is the classic McGrath look. This is my first full-size McGrath palette. Actually, this is my only eyeshadow McGrath palette. This is the first time that I bought one, and gladly this one is in perfect conditions. The colors are super beautiful. Look at this. I have to lower the exposure a lot because otherwise these colors right here would have looked the same. But this is such a beautiful palette. As you notice, I don't have makeup right now, so I'm probably gonna start using this right now, right away. This palette is very pretty. I like everything about it. The mirror is okay. I don't use my mirrors that much from palettes or anything like that, But this is a very leisurely, heavy feeling palette. It is super, super pretty. I wasn't expecting it to look like this. I mean, this is the first time I see in person. This is nowhere to buy. Like, McGrath, what is happening? Just bring this product to the stores. Just sell it. People want it. Or you're doing this for creating more hype about it. I don't know. But this is the first palette that I ever had bought from McGrath. And I'm super happy to start with this one. Divine palette, Divine's Rose, is super, super pretty. Let me show you how some of the colors look like. As I mentioned before, the next video that is gonna come up, it was recorded before all of these situation with the coronavirus start coming up to be a pandemic situation. So I obviously said, go to the store, do this, do that. So take in mind that video was recorded before this situation is happening. So I encourage you that if anything in there you like, just go ahead and buy it online. Sephora is offering a free shipping, so use this code right here to get a free shipping if you want to order anything from the website. In that video, I cannot edit it further, so I'm just gonna leave in the description box of that video the link for everything to get it online. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative and entertaining for you. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what is going on with you if you want to share with everybody. Also give a big thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!